Hello everyone, today I'll discuss exercise 14.1 question number 10. What other name can you give to the line of symmetry of an isosceles triangle? Right? We know that for an isosceles triangle, question number A, if we draw an isosceles triangle, then suppose this is an isosceles triangle, we draw this line of symmetry, it is A, B and C. This side is equal to this side, therefore it is either a median or an altitude, right? Therefore we can say the line of symmetry, the line of symmetry the line of symmetry of an isosceles triangle, line of an isosceles triangle, the line of symmetry of an isosceles triangle is a median or an altitude right? And question number B, what other name will give the line of symmetry of a circle? The line of symmetry of a circle, the line of symmetry of symmetry of a circle is a diameter, you can say it as diameter, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.